how to create an Asana account. That's what we are going to do in today's video. First, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and write down below in the comments any suggestion or question that you have, and let's get started. So first of all, we're gonna go to asana.com, and in the upper right corner we're gonna click here on get started, and once the sign up page loads for you, you're gonna type your email here, as you can see, and click on sign up. Now you have two options, either to verify your email from your inbox or click here on continue with Google. We're gonna click on it and choose my Google account. Now we're gonna type our name. It here asks for the work I'm doing. I'm gonna choose design and click on continue. Now it's asking what's my main objective. I'm gonna choose I'm not sure yet. After it, we're gonna name our first project. Let's name it, for example, design one. Click on continue. Now we have to enter the tasks of the project. Let's enter task 1 and task 2, task 3 as an example, and click on continue. Now here we can group our tasks, and here's the view for Asana board. We're gonna choose the list view or the board view, timeline view, and here is the calendar view. I'm gonna choose the list view for now and click on continue. Now we have created our first account in Asana and started also our first project. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and write down below in the comments if you have any suggestion or question, and have a nice day.